Hey everyone, welcome back to Locally Hosted.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We dive deep into AI, ML, DevTools, and infra.
Today we're talking about Microsoft's new Foundry Local.
It's a game changer for on-device AI. No cloth, no latency.
Wait, you're saying we can run full LLMs locally now?
Exactly. And it's surprisingly lightweight. Only about 20 megabytes.
20 megabytes? That's tiny compared to the models themselves.
Right? It's just the runtime. Think of it as the engine.
So the models are separate? How does that work?
Foundry Local has a curated catalog. It handles downloads.
Oh, so it manages the life cycle automatically? That's huge.
Yes, it caches them locally. First use downloads, then boom.
Instant subséquent launch.
I love that. No waiting around.
And it picks the best variant for your specific hardware.
Wait, does it detect GPU, NPU, or CPU automatically?
It does. It selects the optimal execution provider for you.
That's smart. Most devs hate configuring hardware backends.
Exactly. It just works. No manual kuda setup headaches.
So what models are actually in this catalog?
GPT-os, Qwen, DeepSeek, Mistral, Phi, plus Whisper.
Whisper for audio. So transcription works offline too?
Yes. Full offline audio transcription. Privacy is key here.
I love that. My data never leaves my device.
Period.
Exactly. Zero network latency. No API keys required.
And no per token costs. That's the killer feature.
Right? Infinite inference. Whatever your battery can handle.
Okay, but how do I actually use it in my code?
They have native SDKs. C#, JS, Python, Rust. All of them.
Native Rust support?
Nice.
That's rare for AI tools.
It's open source on GitHub. Microsoft really pushed this.
And is it compatible with existing OpenAI SDKs?
Yes, it supports the OpenAI compatible API format.
So I can point my existing app to localhost?
Precisely. Minimal code changes. Just change the endpoint.
That's incredibly low friction for migration.
It also supports the new OpenAI Responses API format. Yes, streaming works just like the Cloud API.
Okay, what about the optional local server?
You can spin up a web server for multiple processes.
Like LangChain integration? That's super useful.
Exactly. Experiment via REST or integrate with LangChain.
This sounds perfect for edge devices and IoT.
Yes, offline capability is huge for remote deployments.
No internet? No problem. The AI just keeps working.
That's the promise. Reliable, private, local AI.
But how's the performance on consumer hardware?
It's optimized via ONNX runtime. Very efficient.
So even a laptop can run these models smoothly?
Yes, quantization ensures good quality at lower precision.
Balancing quality and performance. Classic engineering trade-off.
Right. They've done the heavy lifting for us.
Is there any catch? It can't be perfect.
Well, you're bound by your hardware limits.
Makes sense. You can't beat physics.
But for most apps, it's more than enough.
What about model updates? Do I manage those?
The catalog handles versioning and auto-updates.
So I can pin to a version or let it update.
You choose. Stability or cutting edge. Your call.
That flexibility is great for enterprise environments.
Yes, compliance and control are major selling points.
Does it support custom fine-tuned models?
You can add your own to the catalog.
So it's not just prepackaged. It's extensible.
Exactly. It's a platform, not just a tool.
How does it compare to Alma or LM Studio?
It's more integrated. Part of the Microsoft stack.
So for VS Code users, this is a no-brainer?
Absolutely. Seamless integration into the dev workflow.
I'm definitely downloading this right after recording.
Do it. You won't regret the local setup.
Okay, but what's the big picture here?
AI is moving to the edge. Privacy is paramount.
And reducing dependency on big cloud providers.
Yes, decentralization is the future of computing.
So this isn't just a tool.
It's a shift.
Exactly. It empowers developers to own their stack.
No more black boxes. No more data leaks.
Just pure, local intelligence. Fast and secure.
All right, that's all we got this week on Locally Hosted.
If you like this, check out the GitHub repo.
Subscribe for more deep dives into AI tech.
Original source is linked in the description below.
Thanks for listening. Come back next time.